Hello, this is your girl pvssology and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you'll know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today and I'm going to teach you guys how to make kawaii inspired biker shorts. Or shorts. But these are biker short style, so let's take a look. These are what they look like. They're very nice. They're very in. These have actually been in for a long time, so I just love these shorts. They're very comfortable to wear in real life. But yes, they do show off the figure some, but these are really, really nice. A lot of people love wearing these, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make inspired kawaii ones. Now, as you guys can see, the shirt is really nice. It says I'm a Barbie girl, and this is in my shop. So shop uncritical if you like it. Great. Okay, so let's get started. Make sure you have your Gimp opened up. Make sure you have your Google opened up because I'm going to show you guys who I derived from first. So let's get started. Okay, so I have gotten the texture from Obj. Obj is one of my favorite people to derive from. She or he always has amazing products to derive from. Like, look at this. Never fails. So I always tend to derive from them. But when I want to go a little cheaper, I go with somebody else. But I love Obj's designs, the textures. They stay on point, to be honest with you. I don't have anything bad to say. The product ID is below, or you can click on Derive from Product, which can be faster for a lot of people. And you only download two things, the front and the back. Alright, so let's go to Google to see some inspired kawaii designs. So we are in Google, and I typed in kawaii PNG transparent, and this is what I got. A lot of stuff. And I love the pixel ones. They're my favorite to use. But these are really, really cute. Like, you can't go wrong with these drawings, this artwork. You can't go wrong with this because it's really, really nice. I love it. But this is what you get. There's so many things to choose from. Like, you can't go wrong with any of these, actually. If you're going to pick out something very nice, do it, because there's so many things that you can choose from. I don't feel like any of these are horrible. They're all amazing. Whoever did this work did an amazing job. Because I don't complain about any of their stuff. Everything is really nice. I tend to go for the pixels more than anything. But if you have like a theme that you want to go for, you can go for that as well. This would really be nice to use for, you know, your fonts and stuff. Like if you want to use this to get your stuff looking a lot better than what it is, the icon, this would be like amazing to use. This would be perfect for an icon. Like, remember, you want your stuff to stick out. So if you were to go for an icon, I wouldn't be surprised if you picked a kawaii inspired icon, because it just makes sense. But this is really nice. I like all these things. Okay, so let's go back into Gimp so we can get started. So we're back in Gimp. Now I'm going to be recoloring this first. So I'm going to do color, colorize. I'm going to go with a nice pink. And filters, colorize, repeat. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new layer. For both. For the back, new layer. Okay, so we have the front and the back. Now I'm going to put a new texture over it, just to give it something more, because this is kind of plain. I'll open as layer. I'm going to go to textures and logos to see what I have. I love this pastel color. Actually, all these are really nice, but I think I'm going to go with the pastel. Okay, that's not bad. So I'm going to layer, scale layer to about, I'm going to open that real quick, 300. There. File, open as layer. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go layer, scale layer. I'm going to open that, and I'm just going to change the top part to 300, which is the width. Perfect. So now I am going to layer, merge down, layer, merge down. And I'm going to play with the opacity. 16, actually 16.8 is fine. 16.8 is what I'm changing it to, the opacity. I'm going to do the same here, 16.8. Layer, merge it down, layer, merge it down. Alright, so we are not done yet. I've downloaded a bunch of Kawaii inspired looks, textures, so I'm going to go File, open as Layer. I'm going to go to my downloads. I've downloaded so many, so there's so many to choose from. This nice tree. I have the Halloween inspired ones. I really like this one. I think I might go for the space look. I think I'm going to go for the space look. So I'm going to go layer, scale. Let's see what it looks like in 300 form. That's kind of huge. So we're going to go smaller. So I'm going to go undo scale layer, and I'm going to layer, scale layer again. Let's see what 150 looks like. Okay, 150 looks reasonable. 150 doesn't look bad, actually. 150 really doesn't look bad. But I might need to do it to 100 because I want to fit everything in. I don't want to, make it look too bad. So this is what I'm going to do. Undo. Undo again. Scale layer. I'm just going to do 100 this time. Okay, 100 is a little smaller, but that's fine. Actually, it doesn't look bad. I'm not finished yet. File. Open as layer again. Let's see what other stuff we have here. Okay, I really, really like this. I really, really like this. I think I would put this on a shirt, though. There's so many things to choose from. Like a lot. I downloaded so many things. You know what? And then I have other stuff here. There's so many things that I've downloaded that I would have to go through, but yeah. I think I'm definitely going to go with words on this one. So I'm going to put words on the other side. It just makes sense to do that. Anyways, I have more Kawaii inspired stuff. I actually like this, but yep. This is really nice. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. Layer. I'm going to scale this. Let me see what 100 looks like. 100 is not bad, actually. I'll put that here. Okay. That is really not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay, so I think I want to change the color though. I think I want to change it to like a light blue. So I'm going to do color, colorize. I got the light blue already. But I want it extremely light, so I'm going to have to play with it a little bit to get it to where I need it to be. And there. And now I'm going to add something else to it. So let's go back in to the folder to see. File, open as layer. Okay, this is nice. Layer, scale layer. Gonna see what 100 looks like. 100 doesn't look bad actually. And I'm upset that it doesn't fit. So I think what I'm going to do is remove this. So I'm going to delete layer. There. And now I could put that in its place. That's really nice. I like it. I like the colors already. Okay, so probably wondering what I'm going to do with the back. We'll figure it out. Maybe that's where I could put the nice layer that I wanted to put before. So open as layer. Let's see what I have here. I wish I had a logo that says space, because that would have been nice. But that's okay. Gotta go with what we have. I'm going to scale this down. Let's see what 100 looks like. That is too small. Let's see what 200 looks like. That is perfect size. Move that here, and I do want to change the color to like a purple. So, yeah, light purple. Colorize. We'll go for light purple. And okay. Now let me play with the opacity. It's not bad. There. I'm going to say layer, merge down. Now I'm going to go to the front and I'm going to merge these down. So I'm going to go layer, merge down. And then I'm going to play with the opacity to see. Don't want to ruin the wrinkles part of it. So I'm just going to do 44.3. I'm going to layer, merge down. What I'm going to do is sharpen it. So you always want to sharpen. Go to filters, enhance, sharpen. And you want to play with it if you need to. This is what it would look like, super enhanced. And I think that's the way I'm going to go. Okay. And I'm going to go filters, repeat sharpen. Does the same thing. And I'm going to make sure I overwrite both of these. Do not forget to overwrite. Export. I'm going to do the same. To the back. I don't know if that went through, but just to double check. Yes, that went through. And I want to double check this one again. Sometimes I do this as a habit. Okay. So let's go to VU to see what it looks like. Okay, we're back in VU. So let's scroll down. Okay. Scroll down here. So this is the front. And the back. It's down here. and we're going to apply changes. Wow. That is not bad at all. And you know what? Even if I didn't have the Kawaii inspired texture on here, I would definitely love this because I just like the colors. I love it. Yes, I love everything about it. These are cute. I like them. You could even turn these into like a night clothes type of thing. Like definitely pajamas shorts. These are really cute. I actually love it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I love this look. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Click that notification button so you'll know exactly when I'm uploading new content. And if you have any comments, please comment down below. I would really appreciate you guys if you like the video and subscribe. I will do more videos like this in the future. And have a good day.